Finally, it's time to eat. Ako them. Subdivision around
I want to go to
Sobrang ganda. Yeah, after this. So, today is July 5 and today is a Sunday. It's 12:20 p.m. And we're checking some shoes since mag-back to school na kami next week. So, kailangan ko na ng bagong shoes. And I'm checking out Sofab right now. Kasi gusto ko to. Kaso mahirap kasi sa akin, guys. Sobrang laki ng paa ko. Like, as in. Ito, Alberto ko to binili. Ito kasi yung currently school shoes ko right now. Pero sobrang laki niya. Parang ang chunky niya tignan pag naka-school uniform mo. Kaya, we have to pick another one. Ayun. And fantasy ko kasi talaga dati, guys. Bata pa lang. Gusto ko na may heels yung shoes ko kasi parang feeling ko sobrang cute ko na. Kaya nakagana lang. Kaya gusto ko may heels yung shoes ko. Eh, kumuha na ako ng size na. Grabe na yung paa ko, guys. Wala na siyang size. Pero plus naman to, Parisian plus. Parisian plus. Pero wala na ako size. Biggest size nila 40. 41 ako eh. Gusto mo yung ganyan? Yes. Siya pala. So hey guys, time check, it's already 1:55 p.m. and kain muna kami kasi wala kami mahanap na sapatos. Kainis. Guys, we've been to Salamat po. Yummy. Sarap. Sobrang gutom na kami. And we've been to Alberto, Parisian, SM Department Store, Sofab. Sa Sofab, meron naman akong shoes doon. Kaso, ano siya eh. Kain muna tayo guys. Sobrang nagutom. Okay nga. check, it's already 4:07 p.m. And nandito na kami sa SM. Manonood kami ng sine. Hindi kami aware na puro matatanda pala kasama namin.
Kaya pala ang daming nakaano sa seats kasi puro matatanda pala kasama namin. Paano ko maganda yung movie?
At least, nanonood pa rin kami ng sine.
Yeah.
Kasi wala sa bingo card namin ngayong araw na to na manonood kami ng sine.
Kaya namin mag-iikot lang kami ng SM. Mapalipas sa mga pesos uwi na.
Number po ninyo. It's ano po?
Time check, anong oras na?
It's 6:25.
Yes, 6:25 na guys. Kakatapos lang namin manood ng sine. Nag-start siya around 4:30 p.m. Ang ganda niya!
Yeah.
Ang ganda niya guys. Ang pinanood namin The Furious.
Ayan. Maganda siya guys.
Sobrang ganda niya. Ang amount lang nung pinanood namin, 180 lang guys. Pero 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Walang tapon. Sobrang ganda ng movie. Tsaka puro siya action. Tapos hindi yung fight scene nila. Parang mga 10 minutes silang nag-aaway.
Oo, tsaka pero wala namang tapon yung wala namang tapon yung mga scene like yung mga action.
True. The best.
Personally, hindi ako mahilig sa action pero ang ganda niya.
Oo. Tapos sigaw kami na sigaw doon sa...
Ay, baka siya.
Ako lang pala. Sigaw pala ako na sigaw. Kasi
Kasabay niya sumigaw yung mga matatandang kasama namin, yung mga senior citizens.
Kasi guys, ang sakit talaga ng saksak tapos yung pagkabali ng buto. Talagang rinig na rinig dun sa ano eh. Guys, what a fun day today. Sobrang sponty lang ng sine namin. Wala talaga siya
Totoo.
sa ano namin.
Ang
Sa agenda
ang
namin.
sabi nga lang, kakain lang.
Oo. Tapos sabi namin, punta kami SM. Tapos pag may mura na sine, manonood kami. Tapos ay, nanonood kami.
Yeah.
Pero di niya alam na may ganun palang amount pa.
Na 180 lang. Super mura na.
Yes.
Imagine yung binibili nating ticket like 320, 340, tapos
May 540 pa nga eh.
tapos nung kaming dalawa na yung manonood sa 180, 360 lang. Like,
diba?
super worth it.
Yes, pampalipas oras. Ganun yung gawin nyo guys. Kasi naaagahan pa kami sa uwi namin eh. Dapat uwi na kami around 3.
Yeah.
Ang init! Kaya yun, ngayon pa kami uwi. Yes! Hey guys! It's Girl Staff. Time check, it's already 6:39 p.m. And today is July 9, which is Army's Day! Barahe Armies! Say hi!
Hi guys!
So for today, we're going to walk here in Vermosa.
And we're gonna shoot the pool!
Yeah, Adi's gonna show me the pool here in Vermosa since hindi pa ako nakapag-walk dito. And sila pa lang ni Omoni ang nakakapag-walk here. So Adi's gonna show me the pool. Oh, you hold the camera for me, please.
Hi! Hi guys!
Walking.
You're walking!
Actually guys, it's really nice na mag-walk dito sa Vermosa. Look, sobrang mapuno siya. Ganyan, no?
So fun! So
What?
fun! So fun!
Oh, it's so fun daw to walk here. It's my first time na mag-walk dito kasi sila lang usually nag-walk here eh. And it's nice. Look, oh. Para ng BGC yung Vermosa, no? Para daw siyang Singapore vibe. Oh, you hold on, Daddy. Gonna cross the street today. What? Here, see, it's so nice. Ang ganda, diba? Nakakagana mag-walk dito. Kesa sa subdivision. Oh, diba? Ang nice. Can get to exercise today. The pool. Here tayo, oh.
Ay, dyan ba? Dito, here.
Watch this beat going hooligan.
Ate!
Did you hear it? Yeah. May narinig si Adi na papatugtog na ang hooligan ng BTS. It's so nice. Ang alam ko pwedeng
There is ate.
ang alam ko is pwede dito na mag-swim. Pero may bayad siya. Ayun na, may track and field din. So nice.
Yeah.
I didn't know na may ganito pala sa Formosa. Here's the pool, guys. It's called lap pool.
Lapo.
Siguro ang ganda if merong subdivision around
I wanna
dito.
go to the
Pero tatayuan pa lang ata siya.
I wanna go to the playground room.
So it's so nice.
Can I stay? I wanna go.
It's a nice day.
I wanna go there.
You wanna try that?
That's the playground.
So nice.
We're going left. Hop, hop. This is a mine. Having exercise. Look at that. Look at that, guys.
You turn around the camera so they can see it. 102 hours.
Dear, that's the
So guys, pwede pala kayong
Right there, 5 minutes.
walking here
We're going to walk there.
or jogging for 2 hours.
Here, come on,
100 siya per head. So it's good na din kung trip nyo talaga at damang-dama nyo.
Careful ah.
Look, there guys, oh. Pwede kayo mag-ano dyan per head, 100 per head for 2 hours.
999,000.
999,000. Oh, it's not. So, hey guys, it's your girl Saf. Today is Saturday. It's July 11. It's currently 5 p.m. and today we're here at Vermosa. And I'm with Adi. So, what are we going to do today, Adi?
Popcorn.
No, what are we gonna do today?
Watch movie.
Yes, we're gonna go to the cinema. We're gonna watch movie and
Popcorn. Where are you going? A movie.
what?
A movie.
A movie. The movie. It's actually Adi's first time na manood ng sine sa buong buhay niya. So, come with us today. It's actually my first time manood din ng sine here sa Vermosa. Lagi kasi ang SM, di ba? Kasi lagi lang naman ako
Bring jackets.
Oh,
I look it.
okay. Diet kung anong papanoorin namin today since si Adi ang mamimili kung anong papanoorin namin. It's either Moana and Toy Story 5.
So fun.
Excited na siya. Are you excited?
Yeah.
It's, ano ko na to? Second watch ko na this week sa cinema.
Halfway.
Oh, wow.
This is Moana. You want Moana? The other one is Toy Story. There.
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 Which one do you want? Toy Story or Moana? Wait a minute! It's BTS! It's BTS!
Why is it hiding there?
Yun si Tisa!
Why is it hiding into it?
Sugar!
What do you want to watch? Toy Story or Moana?
Buka naman, kinilig naman ako doon.
This one?
Why is BTS are hiding there?
Should we move? Oo, nakakatuwa naman. Basta I know. BTS, we love you. Yung see you soon. I fly. Oh, katuwa naman guys. Manila, Purple Ocean soon. Yes, I. Kaso na Takpan siya, guys. Adi, you like it? We're done! So, hey guys, time check, it's already 8:15 p.m. and we're here outside. Adi will ride the reindeer. Are you excited, Mahal? Wow. Yay, it's Adi's turn. Okay, come here, come here.
Chicken daw, chicken. No! Yes!
Adi wants to ride on the last one. There. Okay.
Sit there. Sit there. Daddy, this one. You wear this one.
Are you okay? Sikip pang ba to? Hindi na.
Hindi na kaya niya na yan.
Ano yan? Okay. Enjoy!
I hold you. Yeah, I hold you.
Enjoy na na.
You hold here, okay?
Galingan mo.
Yeah, I'll hold you.
Bye-bye, Adi. Bye-bye and bye.
There, the music is on.